This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start right away by parking level and engaging the parking brake. This prevents roll and makes reading easier. Remove the valve cap and check current psi with your gauge because the machine reading may fluctuate. Input your target pressure from the driver door placard into the compressor or set the dial. Once done, insert payment or press the button to activate the airflow so the hose is live and ready for the next step. You attach the hose snugly to the valve stem until you hear a click. This seals the connection and prevents leaks. Add air in short 3 to 5 second bursts, then remove the hose and check pressure with your gauge. This prevents overshoot because machine gauges can lag. If you're inflating multiple tires, follow a consistent sequence so you don't miss one, and jot down the pressures to ensure each tire matches the recommended psi before you finish. You finish by replacing valve caps and stowing the hose. If you paid with card, pick up the receipt. Make sure the tires hold the pressure for a minute. If a tire loses more than a couple psi right away, inspect it visually and listen for a hissing sound. Once done, use soapy water to find small leaks or mark the suspected area. If it continues to drop more than 3 psi after filling, get professional help at the station or a tire shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.